Hello, everybody. Today I am going to explain the planning about story 1001 nights. First, the objectives to internalize medieval literature throughout 1001 nights by reading, analyzing, and creatively adapt tale. Okay, about the review. Students will be asked different questions related to previous knowledge, encouraging participation. About autonomous work, students will show a story from 1001 Nights to read and answer some questions, such as what is the title of a story you read? Uh, how are the main characters in the story? What happens in the story? Write a short summary. What is the moral or message of the story? Can you relate this story to something in your life or modern society? Society. Okay. About learning code. By the ending of the class, students will be able to analyze a medieval story and recreate it using modern formats. Um, about warm up, students will be watch a video inspired by 1001 Nights. Okay. Um, about prior knowledge. In small groups, the students will discuss among themselves um, these stories. They read and what they learning. About introductions, the teacher gives a brief explanation of origins and context about 1001 Nights. In practice, in the same groups, students summarize other tale, identify a literary features, and like metaphors, morals, and suspense. About apprehension, students will then discuss the different meaning and literary figures. Productions and students create a modern version of the some story in one of these formats: short video, comic, or a podcast introduction. About shaking up, one student per group share the project and with the other students and the teacher. Then the teacher evaluates each activity uh, with creativity. Finally, about closing and feedback, each student in a piece of paper write a questions that the student have or um, some that the student like in the class. Thank you.